Hi guys, try natin tong Tymo Beauty Curl Pro. So, I just want to show you kung paano to gagamitin. And I think this is one of the best curler na nabili ko. Kesa dun sa ginagamit ko dati na parang ceramic clamp na niro-roll ko pa yung hair. Ito, walang ka-effort. Nagmamadali ka. Gusto mo nang mabilisan ayusin yung hair mo and gusto mong magkaroon ng curls, ito ang gamitin mo. Okay? So, let me show you how it works. So, meron siyang, of course, plug mo muna siya, let it, heat up for a while. Tapos, ito yung power button niya. Okay? And then, ito yung direction. If you wanna go rotate to the left or you want it to rotate to the right. Okay? So, just mo lang siya, i-switch mo lang siya kasi nga you can change the direction. So you would know what I'm talking about pagka nagko-curl na ako. Hindi mo siyang i-switch back and forth. To start and to stop ito. So you start, you stop. Okay? Tapos change mo yung direction pag doon ka naman sa kabila. Sometimes gusto natin mag-curl, di ba, na different directions. Pwedeng pag ganito muna, tapos pag ganyan naman, So it's up to your preference, okay? So dapat ito away from your face, okay? Para syempre yung kamay mo is closer to the control. Wag ganyan, okay? So this way. So when you put your hair, i-insert mo siya dito sa slot na to. Diyan mo i-insert yung hair. I-latch mo lang dyan, okay? So ayan, nakaganyan na siya. So pag ganyan, 'di ba? So parang i-shoot mo lang siya na standing up, hindi ganyan, okay? Standing up. Kaya gaganyan mo siya ng kaunti para ma-shoot mo siya easily. So now it's there. Tapos medyo i-pull mo towards your scalp, wag masyadong malapit, okay? Kasi this gets hot din para hindi masunog yung, yung face mo. So pagka nandyan na siya, you just kind of guide it. Wag mong hihilahin, okay? Kasi pag hinila mo, mapipigil yung pag-ikot. So lightly, you put it on the slot like that. And then, depending on where you switch the direction, left or right. So, I think I did it on away. So, ayan. I think it's going away from my face, yung ikot niya. Away from my face, yung curls. So, tapos, you just let it, parang i-pull down mo lang. And that's it. Diba? Ayan na. Okay? So, kuha ka ulit. Let me repeat that. I want the front kasi yung curl niya is away from my face, not going in. Okay? So, kaya nakaswitch siya dito sa left because I want it to rotate away from my face. Okay? Does it make sense? So, if you're still confused, pagka gagamitin mo na, test mo muna, test mo muna sa isa sa likod para hindi masira yung curl mo sa harap. So, mag-test ka muna dito sa likod, tapos i-ganyan mo siya, and see kung yung direction, left or right, kung saan pupunta siya. Okay? I'm gonna get another parang bunch. Wag masyadong makapal. Just get a bunch. If it's easier for you to do it this way, or if it's easier for you to parang i-tie up mo muna siya, i-layer mo siya. For example, you start with the underneath, pwede din. Okay? Pero ako, kasi nga, siguro dahil gusto ko mabilisan and na-try ko naman na siya for a couple of times. So you see, the longer nga pala, the longer that you keep the roller here rotating, the more parang curlier it will get. Okay? Again, this is facing my face. So yung control is closer to me. And then, i-shoot mo lang to dun sa slot. Okay? Tapos medyo i-pull up mo to the level of your hair. Ganyan. And guide lang ha. Huwag mong hihilahin to. So, ayan. Again, the curl is going away from my face. The longer I keep it there, it will be more curly because mainit yung loob. Okay? Mainit siya. Tapos, you just pull it down and it will stop because it gets hot na. Your hair gets hot. It stops automatically. So, that's the good thing about this. So, you get some more here. So, if you want to change the direction, I could change it kasi hindi na siya sa my face. A bit para I could easily shoot it dito. Okay? Again, be careful not to stick it to your ear then kasi medyo mainit siya. And then I change the direction. This time, it will go the other direction. Okay? Now it's coming in. The curls is coming in. And believe me, it will stop. Watch. Tapos I will just, yun na, nag-stop na. It means mainit na yung hair mo. So that's good, diba? Meron siyang heat control. Go to the other side. Since it's already running on that opposite direction, again, away from my face, yung inside, yung name is closer to me for easy control. And then, again, shoot lang. Shoot mo dun sa slot. Ayan. Shoot sa slot, away from my face. It's gonna turn away from my face. Okay? There you go. Kung ano ng hair mo, kung gusto mong style ng isang curl lang sa bawat side, okay? Huwag mo nang i-layer. Again, this is going away from my face. And you know what I love about this? Kasi, wag mong siyang akyat baba. Never do the up and down. Leave it just like that on same level. Or, you start pulling down. Ayan, nag-ano na siya kasi mainit na. So, nag-stop siya on its own. Okay? So, one more. Pagdating dito sa likod, kasi layered naman yung hair ko, I do that sometimes too. I would layer it. I'll get some. Put it on the slot. Okay, medyo sanay na ako, but if you're not, i-twist a little bit, let it in there, and then press. See? I didn't even hold the hair kasi yung bunch ng hair ko and it goes by itself na because it's rotating. And I'm keeping it on the same level and then slowly pulling it down. Diba? It's nice. Okay, so that's the last of my bit, and I always do my top last, okay? And again, I'm gonna do away from my face, put it in the slot, okay? Twist it a little bit, and then just let it curl, okay? If you feel like it's pulling your hair, stop. And then roll again. Tapos going downwards lang ang pull, not away, okay? There you go. So that's the front, okay? Just make sure everything is here on the slot, not pulling, and switch, and it will curl. Don't move it up and down, just keep it there. And then you can slide down, pull down a bit slowly. There you go. Then you could either leave it this way, or if you want to brush it, it's up to you. So I like to just brush the front, the last thing that I did, diba? So I just let it fall on my face. And even so that you wanna leave it that way is up to you, or you wanna comb it so you will have that volume already. Okay? I love this curler kasi my hair is so thin and limp. Talagang straight yung hair ko. Kaya I wanted, some curls ba? And I was thinking before I found this curler, I was really thinking of having my hair combed. But with this, I don't have to anymore. So that way, if I want my hair straight, I could still have straight hair. Okay, see? There it is. So if you want to get this same curler, I'll put the link below and you might get some discounts because they gave me discounts. So if you use that link below, you could get some discounts too. So enjoy your curler. Bye!